Hey, turn that up. We'll pause it. Okay, this time I got my TV on. So
And we're watching our favorite YouTuber.
hey, no, our favorite YouTuber is Jake Paul, but this is what we're watching. 10,000 pounds of slime. Like, what the heck?
Alright, so right now, this slime is
So
like most liquidy right now.
we're playing with slime because
We want to.
it's raining. I can't. Because it's raining out, but you can't tell. So, yeah.
And this is the slime that we're doing. It's really liquidy.
Yeah, it is.
We added a little too much contact solution.
Who cares?
I mean, look at this.
And by the way, we are not sponsored by Dunkin' Donuts. We're sponsored by.
Tell me if this is like a little satisfying. I'm gonna try making some gloves out of slime.
Some what else?
So it didn't work. It just liquided right off me because it's like liquefied, but it's crazy. Alright, so like and subscribe to this video. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Bro, it's... Sorry, but my friend had to wash his hands. You know the YouTube is still running, right? Still running.
Wow. This is like almost like this slime right here is like really solid because like inside it's just plain out solid jelly stuff. See that? Look at that.
Oh,
That's solid jelly right there.
okay, guys. Okay, go behind the camera. Okay, guys, let's try to get
10,000 subscribers.
likes on this video.